Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to send your custom offers to potential buyers on Fiverr. So the first thing you notice or you do is to go to your message section. So your inbox section on your account. Okay, yes, this you have to complete this Fiverr tests. Okay guys, so just for me to press and hold. And I should be done. So this to send your an offer, a custom offer, what you have to do is to check the business. And okay, let's just choose any of these. Somewhere scammer, so let me choose this guy. Let me click on him. Let's see our message. Okay, this okay, I missed this message and I did not see it on time, and then I kept asking him if he was there. Anyway, the so from here you can create an offer here. Says create and send a customer a unique offer based on their specific request. So you can just click on create an offer, and then you can select any of these gig. But then okay, let me just so you create it as a single um, payment. So once you click on it, it should appear this way, and then you can go ahead to customize each of these options. Revisions, uh, 2 is okay, 2 is fine. Delivery, you can set the number of days you want, 3 days, 10 days. Let me just choose 7 days, and then you have a 20,000 maximum. So let's just say, since it's a I'm just going to put 500, and then once I'm done, I can click on send offer, and then the offer would appear on this particular page, and then the clients would review your offer, correct you if there is a need to be corrected, and then accept it. So this is how to actually write this is how to actually send a custom offer on Fiverr. So let me know what you think about the video below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe.